like I told in my intro, like keeping writing founder in your bio doesn't make you a founder of the company, or keeping CEO in your bio doesn't make you CEO of a company. You have to work hard for it. Sometimes you will find out like you are not earning a single penny or single rupee, but you are paying a huge amount of salaries to the employees. Maybe your employees are living a good life comparing to you, and you are the owner, but you are kind of broke for few days or few months. So this is the mindset that you have to keep in mind from the day one. And always, as there are 5 points already mentioned, that always you have to work on the resourcefulness. And instead of hiring resources or instead of increasing resources, think how you can be resourceful to someone else, how you can help the market, how you can help your employees, how you can help your client to get the product done and everything. When I say you have to start today, it doesn't mean you just go and hire a developer or maybe start developing a product. It doesn't mean that you have to when I say you have to start something, you have to do research, you have to start talking about research, you have to start talking to your users, you have to start talking to your target users, you have to start talking maybe one you look up to, who is your mentor. Maybe you can find anyone from the LinkedIn, your connections, and I think you can start talking. If your product is not working well, if your product is not growing well, accept that you have done something wrong, work on it, and one day the product will be relevant forever.